Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Turkey Injector Kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any home cook looking to elevate their poultry game, transforming ordinary meals into culinary masterpieces with unparalleled flavor and moisture infusion. This indispensable gadget allows you to inject marinades, brines, or melted butter directly into the heart of your turkey, ensuring every bite is succulent, tender, and bursting with deliciousness, making holiday feasts and everyday roasts truly unforgettable experiences for everyone at the table. Number 5. Ofargo 1-ounce Plastic Marinade Injector Syringe. Ensure your family's meals are safe and healthy. This kitchen tool is made with food-grade stainless steel and friendly plastic, ensuring peace of mind with every use. Take the flavor wherever you go. It's incredibly lightweight and compact, perfect for packing in your bag for indoor cooking, holiday dinners, or outdoor BBQs. Achieve incredibly juicy and tender results every time. Intensify the flavors of your favorite meats like turkey, steak, or chicken by injecting marinades and seasonings with ease. Enjoy effortless cooking with its ergonomic design, allowing for single-hand operation. Cleaning is a breeze as it's dishwasher safe, and the included brush helps with the needle. This injector is designed for deep penetration, ensuring your marinades and sauces are distributed evenly. It's ideal for injecting liquids like butter, wine, or even fruit purees into meats. For optimal performance, ensure your seasonings are finely ground, smaller than the needle hole. This model is perfect for barbecue, and a larger stainless steel version is available for heavy-duty use. What we like. This injector is designed for those who prioritize safety and health in their kitchen. Its lightweight and portable nature makes it ideal for parties and outdoor gatherings. If you're looking for a simple, easy-to-use tool for everyday grilling and occasional parties, this is a great choice. What people say. The injector is easy to use and clean. It comes with multiple needles for different types of marinades. The marinade is evenly distributed throughout the meat. Number 4. Ofargo Meat Injector for Smoking. Tired of bland meats? This injector is designed to infuse your favorite marinades deep into any cut, ensuring every bite is bursting with flavor. Crafted with food-grade stainless steel and zinc alloy, this tool is built for safety and durability. You can confidently prepare delicious meals for your loved ones. Its heavy-duty construction and sturdy needles can handle even the toughest meats. Enjoy years of perfect grilling and smoking with this reliable kitchen companion. Elevate your holiday roasts, briskets, and poultry. It's perfect for infusing flavor into meats, or even adding fillings to desserts and pastries. With its large capacity and comfortable grip, refilling is minimized and application is easy. Cleanup is a breeze as it's also dishwasher safe. You'll receive the injector, multiple needles for different marinades, spare O-rings, cleaning brushes, and a basting brush. Everything you need for culinary success. What we like. This option is built for durability and performance, featuring a leak-proof design and heavy-duty construction. The larger capacity means fewer refills, and the multiple needle types allow for versatile marinating. If you're a serious griller or smoker who needs a reliable tool for tougher cuts and larger quantities, this is the one for you. What people say. The injector is easy to use and clean. It comes with multiple needles for different types of marinades. The marinade is distributed evenly throughout the meat. Number 3. Ofargo Stainless Steel Meat Injector Syringe Kit. Introducing the Ofargo Stainless Steel Meat Injector Syringe Kit, your new essential for BBQs and grilling. Elevate your culinary creations with ease. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel and food-safe silicone, this tool is built for longevity. Enjoy peace of mind knowing it's safe for your family's health. Easily inject marinades into the toughest cuts of meat or poultry. Achieve juicy, tender, and incredibly flavorful results every time. Perfect for turkeys, briskets, pork, chicken, and more. You can even use it for desserts like donuts or infusing fruits with spirits. Its ergonomic design makes it simple to use and refill, minimizing interruptions. Plus, it's dishwasher safe for quick and convenient cleanup. This comprehensive kit includes the injector, multiple needles for various marinades, spare parts, cleaning brushes, and even recipe ebooks to inspire your next meal. What we like. For those who appreciate premium materials and comprehensive features, this all-stainless steel injector is a top pick. It comes with an impressive 4 needles for ultimate versatility and even includes a recipe ebook to inspire your culinary creations. If you're a gift giver or someone who loves experimenting with new flavors and wants a high-quality, long-lasting tool, consider this. What people say. It is a great product for injecting flavor into meats. The kit comes with multiple injectors and needles, making it versatile for different types of meat and marinades. The design is user-friendly, allowing for easy filling and injection without making a mess. Number 2. BBQ Marinade Injector Kit. Unlock a world of flavor with our premium marinade injector. Easily inject marinades deep into meats for unparalleled taste and tenderness. Crafted with food-grade stainless steel and durable plastic, this tool ensures your family's safety and health with every use. Weighing as much as an egg, it's incredibly lightweight and portable. Perfect for any gathering, from backyard BBQs to outdoor adventures. An affordable solution for all your grilling needs. Ideal for turkey, brisket, chicken, and more. Inject anything from garlic butter to wine. Designed for comfort and ease, its ergonomic handle and clear measurement markings make injecting a breeze. Achieve perfect distribution every time. This kit includes the injector, a cleaning brush, and replacement O-rings for long-lasting performance. Get ready to elevate your barbecue game. What we like. This injector offers a fantastic balance of affordability and functionality. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to take anywhere, and it comes with essential extras like replacement O-rings. If you're on a budget or need a reliable, no-frills injector for regular use without breaking the bank, this is an excellent value. What people say. The kit includes a variety of needles for different types of marinades, including a wide one for chunky marinades and a narrow one for liquid marinades. The injector is made of stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean. It comes with a cleaning brush, making it easy to maintain the injector after use. Number 1. Barbecue Grill Meat Injector Syringe. Unlock a new level of flavor with this powerful meat injector. Easily infuse marinades deep into your favorite meats for a juicier, more delicious result every time. Crafted with premium materials, this portable injector is built to last. It's the perfect companion for your barbecue grill and smoker, ensuring consistent performance. Featuring a generous 1-ounce capacity, you can inject more flavor with fewer refills. Its user-friendly design makes it simple to operate and even easier to clean. Whether it's turkey, chicken, or beef, this versatile tool is designed to handle it all. Achieve perfectly seasoned results for any cut of meat. This kit includes everything you need, including multiple marinade injector needles and a cleaning brush. Elevate your grilling game with this essential accessory. What we like. This kit focuses on a premium, portable experience with a good capacity for its size. It's designed for ease of use and cleaning, ensuring a hassle-free marinating process. If you value convenience and a quality feel in a compact package, especially for smaller gatherings or personal use, this red injector is a stylish and practical choice. What people say. The injector is easy to use and clean. It comes with multiple needles for different types of marinades. The marinade is evenly distributed throughout the meat. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.